In this video, I am going to teach you what is a circle of fifths. Hi, my name is Ilse Lozoya. Thank you for watching this video. Have you ever heard of a circle of fifths? If you're a pianist, maybe you have heard that it's a very good idea, for example, to play the scales following the circle of fifths. Maybe you know that the sharps on the staff appears by following the circle of fifths. But what's this and why? Why do we have to follow this order? Well, I'm going to explain this to you right now. When we play a C major scale, talking about major scales, what I'm going to do, I am going to divide this scale into sections. The scale has 7 notes, but if I add the next C, it's going to be an octave. So this scale is going to have 8 notes, and I am going to divide this in 2. So it's going to be C, D, E, F, and then G, A, B, C. If I divide this in 2, I will have 2 sections of 4 notes. These are called tetrachords. This is the first tetrachord is C, D, A, F. The second one is G, A, B, C. Well, if I follow the circle of fifths, I am going to get the next major scale, and as a consequence, this is going to be the first accidental that is going to appear right on the key and the staff at the key signature. So I am going to take the second tetrachord, which begins with G, and this is going to become the first tetrachord of the next scale. So G, A, B, C, and then D, E, F, G. You need to play F sharp, because we are following the structure of the C major scale. But well, we are not talking exactly about the major scale. This is not what the video is about. So the first scale was C major, so the next one is going to be G major, right? So this is, of course, circle of fifths, because from C, G is the fifth, right? But that's why when we play this, we have F sharp, and F sharp, we're going to write this at the key signature. So the next one is going to be 1 sharp, the next scale. So the third scale following this is going to be, yes, D. Why? Look how I am dividing this with my hands. So G, A, B, C, this is the first tetrachord, and the second one, D, E, F sharp, and G. So the second tetrachord is going to begin on D. So the next scale is going to be D major. Right? Then I move to the fifth, which is A. Here is where the second tetrachord begins. The second tetrachord becomes the first tetrachord of the next scale. So now I have A major. Then, which is the fifth? It's going to be E. I'm going to play it right here. So it is E major. Now we go to the fifth. B. So right here, B. So now the fifth is going to be, pay attention, F sharp. Why? Because we need to find the fifth from the C major, the B major scale. So it's going to be F sharp. Now F sharp major, and the fifth is going to be C sharp. And these are all the scales from the circle of fifths. We have C major, G major, D major, A major, E major, B major, F sharp major, and C sharp major. What about the rest of the notes? The rest of the notes belong to the circle of fourths. The rest of the scales, right? We didn't play. So when you go and see the key signature in any music, well, you'll see that it's following the order of the circle of fifths. So we have F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, A sharp, and F sharp, right? Right, and the last one is B sharp and E sharp. So that's why it's very important to understand what a circle of fifths is. If you like this video, if you found it interesting or useful, I invite you to subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell so you won't miss any videos in the future that I will be sharing with you.